Do you ever feel like your subconscious mind just isn't listening, no matter how hard you try to change? Well, you're not alone. So, I'm going to show you a simple way to finally get your subconscious mind on your side so you can actually stick to your goals, so you can break your old habits and start seeing some real results for yourself. Now, our subconscious mind controls our vibration, and our vibration controls what we attract into our lives. So, if you want more money, more clients, and better relationships, it's of extreme importance that you know and understand how to change your subconscious mind. Now, before we get into how to talk to your subconscious mind and skyrocket your results, I'm running a free 5-day workshop in January called the Magnetic Business Launch, where I'll be showing you how to attract more money, more clients without overworking or changing your marketing. Now, it's completely free, but the spaces are limited. So if you want one, just go to the link in the description of this video and secure your spot. Now back to the subconscious mind and how to get it to listen to you. Listen, our subconscious mind is our feeling mind, and feeling is conscious awareness of vibration. So when you say things like, I'm not good enough, what you're really saying is, I am not on a good enough vibration. And whilst you're on that vibration, you tell me what's the only thing that you can attract. It's not good enough things, right? Well, what we want to do is flip the script and start feeling abundant, opulent, and prosperous all the time. Now, when that's achieved, abundance, opulence, and prosperous things are going to be magnetized to you. It just works that way. So, how do we get our subconscious mind to listen to the commands that we give it? Well, first of all, we've got to speak to it with authority. We're not asking, we're demanding, and we're expecting that our subconscious mind will listen to our instructions. You don't have to be nice to it. Speak as a person with authority and let your subconscious mind know that this is not an ask. This is a demand, and you're expecting your subconscious to listen and follow your instructions. Now, Buddha said it best. He said, what you think you become, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you create. Remember that your subconscious mind is connected to infinite intelligence, and it already knows how to bring you what you want. So when you feel like your subconscious mind will listen to you, it will, because what we expect, we attract. So I suggest you follow every instruction I give you in this video and don't cut any corners. So let's say you want to earn £50,000 this month through your business, and you create an affirmation. Something like, I am so happy and grateful now that I have earned £50,000 this month. Now, we can't just say this affirmation once and expect our subconscious mind to carry out the instruction. Like, imagine you want to get in better shape and you want to have bigger biceps. Would they grow from going to the gym and just doing one bicep curl? No, they wouldn't. Well, the process for building bigger biceps is the same process that you use for getting your subconscious mind to listen to your commands, and it's done through repetition. Okay, for your physique, it's repeating the same movement over and over again. For your subconscious mind, it's repeating the same affirmation over and over and over again. Remember also, your subconscious mind does not know the difference between a truth and a lie. Okay, but for it to accept the lie, it has to be impressed over and over and over again. Think of your name. You're not your name. I mean, that's what people call you by, and they probably will for the remainder of your life, but that's not you. You're a spiritual being, and the biggest side of you no one will ever see. Your name is just an idea that your parents and the people around you when you was a baby impressed into your subconscious mind. Now, if your parents would have said your name once in the first 2 years of your life, would you respond to it? No. But what did they do? They repeated your name over and over and over again until your subconscious mind accepted it. Well, that's what we want to do with your goal. Okay? I literally walk around all day affirming that money is attracted to me. In fact, I want you to pause this video right now and say out loud 20 times, money is attracted to me. Now, if your results are currently showing that money isn't attracted to you, then you're probably going to hear that voice in your head that says, stop kidding yourself like you're pretending. Well, I want you to affirm it anyway. And I want you to keep affirming it until that old negative voice disappears. If you do that, I promise you, you're going to see some amazing things happen in your life. Now, look, if you want to go more in depth with me, then come and join me in January for the Magnetic Business Launchpad. You're going to be spending 5 days live with me and other like-minded people, and I'm going to be showing you how to attract more money, how to attract more clients than you actually thought was possible. And we're going to dive deep into reprogramming the subconscious mind and having the life and business that you've always wanted. Look, it takes 2 seconds to register. The spots are going fast. So register now by clicking the link in the description of this video.